How to refer someone for a job in GCash. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily refer someone for a job in the GCash app. First of all, go ahead and open up your GCash application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Then from here you can tap on the View All Services option at the center of your screen and it will open up this pop-up. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find the job section and then go to Jobs. And once you get here, you can select any kind of job that you want. And on the bottom navigation bar, you'll have the referrals tab. Just head over there. And once you get to the referral tab, here is some steps that you can follow to refer someone to a job. So the step one is to actually explore jobs. Tap on the job list and you can find various jobs across the different kind of industries. And step two is to match jobs with your friends. Just read the description of the job and then think of a suitable contact that you can refer to them. Then refer your friends. You can enter your friend's name and email, then tap on refer to the referred candidate and you will receive email notifications so that they can apply easily. After doing this, once the referral is accepted, you will get certain credits and points of your referral, and then you can earn GCash easily if your referred candidate gets hired. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.